I told you guys, China is living in the future. Right now, we're gonna order some drinks and snacks for the kids, and it's gonna get delivered by a drone. Check this out. That's how they do the drone deliveries in China. Pretty cool. It's gonna drop down into that box and you have to get it out of there. Now my wife is gonna pick up our box from the drone delivery. Beautiful wife. And it's as easy as that. We're living in the future. Yeah.
So convenient. Everywhere, anywhere.
Here comes another one.
There you go. I ordered some drinks.
Yeah, we got the drinks. They came in this little box from the drone. Let's see what's inside.
This
Huge drinks.
is a watermelon drink.
The watermelon.
I want it.
For both drones to
This is my
deliver.
lemon tea for recycling.
Yeah, Nanny.
Is it good?
Oh, you can put
Refreshing.
It is pretty darn good.
Look at them. Oh, look. It's hanging upside down.
Brad in China.